All right, welcome back. We are on lesson 2.8, modeling mixed number division, on page 81 in your big math book. Join me there. Remember, any markings that I make on the video, you make in your book as well. At any point during the video, you can pause, rewind, or pause and then raise your hand in class, and I can come help you out if you're confused about anything. All right, let's go ahead and get started. A science teacher has 1 2/3 cups of baking soda. She performs an experiment for her students by mixing 1/6 cup of baking soda with vinegar. If the teacher uses the same amount, that's a key word, of baking soda for each experiment, how many times can she perform the experiment? That's our question. So, which operation should you use to find the answer and why? We're going to use division. Because we need to find how many 1/6 cups are in 1 2/3 cups. Okay, sorry about that. All right, use pattern blocks to show 1 2/3. Draw your model. Okay, so we have one hole right here, and let's go ahead and copy this image down as best we can to get now our 2/3. Okay, so our 2/3, well, sorry about that. It's going to come down like this, and over, and down like that. So now we've broken this into 3 parts, and we're using 2/3, so shade and shade. So now I have one hole, and this is 2/3. Okay. So a hexagon block is one hole, and a rhombus is 1/3 of a hole. Okay, what type and number of blocks did you use to model 1 2/3? So we don't have the actual blocks to model this, but we still can see we used 1 hexagon and 2 rhombus. Okay, so cover 1 2/3 with blocks that represent 1/6 to show dividing by 1/6. Draw your model. So let's break this other one into thirds. Okay, and now once I've broken it into thirds, if I want to break it into 1/6 parts, I need to break each one of these thirds in half. Okay, same thing over here. Break each one of these thirds in half. Now I'm showing 1/6. Okay, so think 1/6. One 1/6 block represents, oh, I'm sorry, let's change that. One triangle, let me go previous. One triangle, so each one of these triangles up here represents 1/6. There's the 1/6. So now we just count the triangles. Well, here's 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this one right here would be 7. This one's 8. This one's 9. And this one's 10. So 10 triangle blocks cover 1 2/3. So 1 2/3 divided by 1/6 is 10. So the teacher can perform the experiment 10 times. Now again, I want you to recognize how to use these models, be able to see the models, understand how the models are representing the division. But yes, you can use copy, change, flip to solve this problem as well. 1 2/3. 1 whole is the same thing as 3/3, plus I have this 2/3. So this would be a total of 5/3 divided by 1/6. And then we just do copy, change, flip. Cross simplify. 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 6 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. 10 over 1 equals 10, and see, we get the exact same answer. So again, I want you to understand the models, how I'm using the models, be able to recognize if you see a model, what division problem it represents. But yes, to solve this problem, you could use copy, change, flip as well. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.